Did you know that frequent blood sugar monitoring can reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications by up to 76%? That's a huge number, and it all comes down to one tiny but mighty device: the glucose monitor. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of glucose monitors. Choosing the right one isn't just about picking a gadget. It's about finding a partner in your health journey that fits your lifestyle, provides accurate data, and empowers you to manage your diabetes effectively. The right monitor can truly change your daily life, making management simpler and less stressful. So, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by all the options out there, stick around because we're going to break it all down. Living with diabetes means navigating a constant balancing act. One of the biggest challenges is dealing with blood sugar roller coaster rides. You can feel perfectly fine one moment, and the next, you're hit with the dizzying highs of hyperglycemia or the shaky lows of hypoglycemia. It's not just about how you feel. Unpredictable fluctuations can have serious long-term health consequences. That's why accurate, consistent monitoring is non-negotiable. But traditional finger prick methods can be painful, inconvenient, and sometimes you just don't want to do it, especially when you're out and about or trying to sleep. Plus, there's always the question, is this reading even accurate? An inaccurate reading can lead to incorrect insulin dosing or dietary choices, which is a scary thought. The mental load of constantly worrying about your numbers, second-guessing your device, and dealing with the physical discomfort of testing is a real struggle that so many people in the diabetes community face every single day. We need a solution that is not only precise, but also easy and comfortable to use. So, what are our options? Let's explore the landscape of glucose monitors. Broadly, they fall into two main categories: traditional blood glucose meters, or BGMs, and continuous glucose monitors, or CGMs. BGMs are the classic devices we're all familiar with. They require a small blood sample from a finger prick. On the plus side, they are often more affordable up front and are considered the gold standard for accuracy by many clinicians. They give you a snapshot of your blood sugar at a single point in time. However, the cons are obvious: the pain, the inconvenience of carrying around lancets and test strips, and the fact that you only see your number for that one moment, missing the trends and patterns happening between tests. Then we have the game changers. See, these systems use a small sensor, usually worn on the arm or abdomen, that measures your glucose levels in the interstitial fluid continuously, day and night. The data is sent wirelessly to a reader or your smartphone. The biggest pro: you get a full movie of your glucose levels, not just a single snapshot. You can see trends, get alerts for highs and lows before they become serious, and understand how food, exercise, and stress truly affect your body in real time. This is incredibly empowering. The main downsides have historically been cost and the fact that some models may require calibration with a finger prick. However, technology is advancing rapidly, making them more accessible and user-friendly than ever before. There are even newer flash glucose monitoring systems, which are a bit of a hybrid, requiring you to scan the sensor to get a reading, but still providing that valuable trend data without the constant pricks. After extensive research, testing various models, and poring over countless user reviews and clinical studies, one device consistently rises to the top, especially for those seeking a blend of accuracy, convenience, and data-rich insights. And that device is the Dexcom G7. Now, let me tell you why it's my top recommendation. First, the accuracy is phenomenal. It has a MAUD score, which is a measure of accuracy that is one of the lowest on the market, meaning its readings are incredibly close to lab-tested blood glucose levels. You can genuinely trust the numbers it gives you. Second, the user experience is fantastic. The sensor is 60% smaller than its predecessor, the G6, and the all-in-one sensor and transmitter design makes application a breeze. It's a simple one-push applicator. The warm-up time is just 30 minutes, the fastest on the market, so you get your data quicker. Plus, there's zero need for finger prick calibrations. You can wear it for 10 days, and it even has a 12-hour grace period at the end. giving you more flexibility to change it on your schedule. The app is intuitive, and the predictive alerts that can warn you of a low 20 minutes in advance are, frankly, a potential lifesaver. It gives you not just data, but peace of mind. While it is a premium device, the value it provides in terms of quality of life and proactive management is, in my opinion, unmatched right now. So, to wrap it all up, whether you choose a traditional BGM or a cutting-edge CGM like the Dexcom G7, the most important thing is to find a device that you will use consistently. Accurate and frequent monitoring is the cornerstone of effective diabetes management, giving you the power to make informed decisions and live a healthier, fuller life. What has your experience been? I'd love to hear which glucose monitor you use and what you love or do you not love about it. Drop a comment below and let's help each other out. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on diabetes management tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.